If you're new to growing hydroponics indoors and you're just starting out as a beginner, then I've got a really easy system that will be great for you to get started. And it's not anything like the tower system. It just only takes up a small space on your windowsill. I've been growing vegetables in hydroponic systems for about 10 years, maybe even more. And I've tried all different ones. I do love the tower, but for a beginner, I think you are going to like this system that is just very simple, and it's easy to set up and get started and also maintain. So it's time to get started. I'm going to be filming the new setup in the kitchen. If you're a beginner to hydroponics, then I would start out with something easy like this. It has 9 pods. It's not hard to maintain at all. And it's easy to get started. The first step to get started is putting in these little cups. And you just slip them in like that. They just click in. Now all we have to do is put in the pods with the seeds. And I've got 3 different ones. I've got parsley and sage and basil. And you just slip this back. I'm going to only plant just 1 of each because I don't use that many. And then what I'm going to do with the others is possibly put some lettuce in. But if you're just starting, I just recommend only using their pods because that way you'll have pretty much good success. So the next step is putting these little covers over, and you just click them on. And now we're ready to fill it with water. And at first I'll fill it with a faucet and until it's too heavy. And then I'll fill it with a pitcher. I'm going to put this in. It's for water flow. So you know when you have to water, and it's down quite far. So I'm going to fill it with the pitcher of water and also put in the nutrients. And this is an existing system I've had for years. So I'm really just setting up a new herb garden for the kitchen. We just remodeled the kitchen, so I'm pretty excited. I got the nutrients, and you put about 1 teaspoon in every 2 weeks. So I'm doing that before I fill it up with water. Right now, it needs to be about 1 inch higher. I just moved the hydroponics garden to the windowsill where it's going to be. And this is how it should look, the water gauge. Next, I'm going to plug it in. Then I'm going to put these covers over the seeds. They just fit on real easily. And if you want to learn more about this system, I've got a link in the description below, and you can click on it and find more information and even purchase it. In a few weeks, you'll see the plant starting to grow, and it's really exciting. So be sure you subscribe to get the latest tips and suggestions for plants. You'll also get suggestions on what to do with your vegetables that you're growing. I have all kinds of different recipes and cooking ideas.